Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to do a basic setup of Django framework and Django REST framework. So for that, first we need to install Python. So download Python. It will not take that much time. Once it's downloaded, click the exe file. Click customize installation. Click next. So here you can check this option, add Python to environment variables. Otherwise you need to add these things to like Windows environment variables and all. So here it will do automatically. So click install. Yes. It may take few minutes to install. Yes, Python setup was successful. So we can check that. Simply type Python. See, you can see Python version and all. So Python has been successfully installed. Now we can install Django. Django and Django REST framework we need to install. So type Django REST framework. Quick start. So yes, pipe install Django. To exit from this window, type exit. Type pipe install Django. It will install Django in your system. Actually, I have already installed this Django in my system, so that's why it's showing requirement already satisfied. So Django is already installed. So next we need to install Django REST framework. Pipe install Django REST framework. That also I have already installed. So our installation is completed. The next step is like we need to create our sample project. So I'm going to create a sample project. For that, type the command Django -admin start project. Your project name. My project name is install and setup. Install and setup. Hit enter. Since our project is created, so go to this directory. So you can see here some files are generated. So now here enter to the directory cd install and setup. So setup is completed. So now we can run our project. To run our project, type python manage.py run server. Okay, now the server is running successfully. So to check it, it's running in 8000 port, localhost 8000 port. So in browser you can type localhost 8000. Yes, so our site is up now. So that is all for basic setup of Django, basic setup of Python, Django and Django REST framework. Next tutorial we can see how to create our first API and all. So thank you so much for watching.